Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to move someone back to message requests on Instagram. If you want to move someone back to message requests on Instagram, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Instagram app and then go to direct chats. Just tap on it and then select the person. As you can see, I have selected this one, so just tap on username of the person and here just tap on three dots. Tap here and here you will get the option of restrict. Just tap on it and now you have successfully moved this person back to your message request. So let's see this. As you can see, the person is not aware in simple messages, not in primary section and not in general section. Now check our request section. Just tap here and here you can see the person has been moved to my message request section on Instagram. So that's how you can easily move someone back to message request on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.